As a society, we're moving into technology. We're moving in with it. We have it in our hands. We have it in our pockets almost on a constant daily basis. And I could tell you right now, when I first started teaching 7 years ago, kids didn't have cell phones. Today, I have at least half of the kids in my class that have cell phones.
So if you want to, you can try out the problem and then watch the video. And then
how do I get these kids who absolutely love to play video games and have technology since the day they were born, how do I get these kids to engage in a lesson where I'm standing at the front of the room? I was always looking for another way to engage my less willing students, the students that did not really care to want to be at school. They'd rather play video games. They're going to grow up to be the next YouTuber, so they think.
It's kind of a hard concept, but if you got it, you got it.
The idea of a flipped classroom was brought up, and I've heard of the concept before. I've heard of it in middle school and for high school, but I've never really thought of it for elementary school. That sounds like a pretty amazing concept, like having an elementary classroom where all of your kids are on computers doing lessons that you film for them, and they're all on different lessons and they're all doing what they need, and then what are you doing the whole time? And well, for me, it would be walking around, touching base with those kids that need it. Everybody's different. And you should teach each child as an individual rather than as a collective. These are not just fifth graders. All of my students have names and individual identities, and they have good days, they have bad days, they have easy days, they have hard days. It's a nice little platform that gives everybody the same opportunity to succeed, just in their own way.
But now I know how to do it now. Good.
It plays into my beliefs as a teacher because I believe that every child has the right to learn, right? Every child has the right to learn and succeed and feel successful. And if they're not feeling successful, then how do I help them achieve that? I have kids who would, in a normal, regular classroom, would have thrown their hands up, given up, that are like coming to me excited because they were able to be given the chance to get this concept that they needed to get. I get super proud moments as a teacher. I taught them, but I didn't teach them at the same time. They kind of are, it's a mutual working, right? And so they're taking a lot more ownership of their learning. And so it makes it super interesting.
So much work to do tonight.
I finished all of them.
High five.
Technology is not going anywhere. It's going to get more and it's going to get bigger. And if we want to keep up as a district, if we want to keep up with our students and we want to give them the best opportunity that they can have for their future, then we need to continue to support their technology.